At the Supreme Court, a First Amendment ruling with far-reaching consequences. The court's conservative supermajority declaring that Denver area website designer Lorie Smith has a constitutional right to refuse to design wedding websites for gay couples. The court holding that Colorado's public accommodations law, which requires businesses that serve the general public to serve all equally, does not apply in cases where the product or service being offered expresses a message. And forcing Smith to serve gay couples, the court reasoned, would be compelling her to speak a message she does not believe in, violating her First Amendment rights. Justice Neil Gorsuch, writing for the court's conservatives, declaring, "The First Amendment envisions the United States as a rich and complex place where all persons are free to think and speak as they wish, not as the government demands." Upholding the Colorado law in this case, Gorsuch added, would mean that the government could force an unwilling Muslim movie director to make a film with a Zionist message, or compel an atheist muralist to accept a commission celebrating evangelical zeal. In dissent with her outnumbered liberal colleagues, Justice Sonia Sotomayor called the ruling profoundly wrong, arguing that it endows certain businesses open to the public with a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class. And she offered her own examples of what might follow. A website designer could equally refuse to create a wedding website for an interracial couple, for example. A stationer could refuse to sell a birth announcement for a disabled couple because she opposes their having a child. For Lorie Smith, who says her religious beliefs compel her refusal to serve gay couples with their wedding websites, vindication.
Free speech is for everyone, and the court affirmed today that the government cannot force anyone to say something it doesn't believe.
Colorado's Attorney General dismayed.
When a business opens its doors to the public, they've got to serve everybody. Today, for the first time, there's now an exception to that rule, and that exception is going to do untold damage.